All right, let's take a look back at history. On this day, all the way back in 1995, Netscape Communications sold shares to the public in what was, if not the first major IPO of an internet company, was by far the most influential, ushering in Wall Street's infamous dot-com boom and bust. Remember, at the time, internet browsing, it was still a burgeoning technology that was growing fast but had no real roadmap for profitability. Netscape, though, had a plan. Give away for free its browser, but sell its server software and the service contracts that go along with installing it. It was audacious. Netscape had only existed as a corporation for only 16 months, generating less than $20 million in revenue over that stretch and no profits at all. But that didn't matter. They had a great narrative about long-term growth, combined with the Midwestern charm of a 20-something Mark Andreessen, and that was enough for investors. The day after the IPO, the first Netscape trade posted at $71 a share, almost triple the $28 offer price, and it closed out the day up 100%, making it the fourth biggest first-day move for a U.S. IPO at the time. It was the shot heard round Sand Hill Road all the way over to Lower Manhattan. The frenzy that IPO created on Wall Street and Main Street to boot was best reflected in the recorded message individual investors got when they dialed into Charles Schwab that said, "Welcome to Charles Schwab. If you're interested in the Netscape IPO, press 1. Netscape commanded more than 80% of the browser market at the time of its August IPO, but by December 6th, the shares hit a record $87 a share. But we know how this story ends. A day later, on December 7th, in a now famous address, Bill Gates declared that the internet was Microsoft's highest priority. It plunged headlong into developing online services, websites, and of course, a competing web browser called Explorer. Netscape, it was caught by surprise, flat-footed, and by late 1998, its market share had eroded and its stock price had plunged more than 75%. By 1999, Netscape had been sold to America Online for roughly $9 billion, and by 2003, AOL, which had now bought and rebranded itself as Time Warner, disbanded Netscape altogether. We should point out, Netscape did live on through a few iterations over the next few years, but eventually its demise came completely by late 2008.